Have you ever wondered why we sneeze? Sneezing is contagious. One of the most popular theories is that sneezing cools the brain. When we are tired, bored, or have been sitting still for a long time, the brain works less efficiently and warms up a little. Sneezing makes us inhale quickly, increasing the flow of cold air. At the same time, blood vessels dilate and blood circulation increases. And when you sneeze, your brain is simply asking you to cool down and take a deep breath. Support my channel and subscribe.